Think big, we make it possible. This is CIS Coffee Break video series, and today's popular article is AutoML, a short overview, why AutoML is ready to be the future of artificial intelligence. In this article, machine learning for businesses is expanded upon. When it comes to this, the complex workflow involved in machine learning has several stages, like data acquisition, information mining, feature engineering, design selection, experimentation, and prediction. There are actually multiple teams that are involved in arriving at the solution needed. Data engineering team, data scientist, DevOps. A lot of people are involved when it comes to machine learning success. But one new trend is coming into the light and possibly allowing business analysts and programmers to evolve device learning units that can address complex situations. This is called AutoML. AutoML focuses on two elements: statistics acquisition and prediction. With this approach, the standard workflow involved with training machine learning models is significantly changed. The article goes on to talk about how some AutoML platforms are also helping export a fully trained model compatible with actual mobile devices. Developers can quickly incorporate the versions using their cell phone applications without having to understand the nuts and the bolts of machine learning. Furthermore, AutoML perfectly matches in between cognitive APIs and customized ML platforms. It delivers the perfect amount of customization without even forcing the developers to go through the elaborate workflow. AutoML is introducing the potential for accessible and understandable artificial intelligence application for businesses. To read more about this, check out the full article with the URL below. Thanks for watching.